What's good with y'all boys? We got week number 6 of trying to get my first payout from day trading as a 17-year-old trader. And last week we ended up only taking one trade last week. If you haven't checked out last week, check it out right here. And if you want to follow me every single day, make sure you check out my socials in the description down below because I post there daily about my daily trades that I take. So if you want to check that out, link in the description. But let's go ahead and get into it. Day number 26.
What's going on, guys? We got day number 26. It's almost been a month, but we got day number 26 of trying to get my first payout, and we ended up making $900 today. Smooth, cooler day. I didn't really expect to get much on a Monday because I usually never do on Mondays, but we did end up catching a good trade. So, bias coming in was definitely bullish. Even though it's looking like a downtrend right here, I knew price only wanted to retrace into this big fair value gap, this big green zone that I have marked out. So yeah, boom. And then we got an SMT right here that had even more confirmation. Then we got an uptrend. So all I was waiting on was really a break outside of this fair value gap and another confluence like a little order block or something. And it gave me that, right? Price broke out. Price broke out this. It was consolidating for a little bit. Broke out. Boom. It tested this order block right here on this candle, came back down, and then closed. You can see this heavy close right here, and I entered off that. So at this heavy close at 10:02, I entered. I'm targeting Asia highs and London highs, and my original target was this, but I was just seeing price play out, and I just went to go target these high. But then once price broke above this, I wasn't really sure. I really didn't know if price wanted to go above to London highs, Asia highs. I'm tripping. So I put my stop right here at London highs right here, and then it stopped me out right here. You can see this candle wick down, then it went back. So if I would have just kept my stop loss down here or break even, we would have had the full profits. Instead, we got stopped out at like a 1-to-1. So we could have been like at maybe 1700, 1800, or something like that instead of only 900. But it's all good. A win is a win. Cause I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be grateful for it. A win is a win. But we need to hurry up and get off this eval account. Hurry up and keep on trading. Get off this eval account because I'm trying to run it up and get that payout. What's going on, guys? We got day number 27 of trying to get my first payout, and we didn't trade today. So we made $0 today. Coming in, I didn't really know what price wanted to do or where it wanted to go. I really didn't have no bias. So that was even more confirmation for me not to trade. And price came down. Boom. Market open right here. Boom. Came down, swept this low. And then I was waiting for a retracement up. And then respect of this fair value gap and this order block. I was waiting for that. And then the close below. And I would have targeted Asia lows and London lows. But it didn't give me that. So and price started consolidating. So I really didn't do nothing. Patient, discipline, calm little day. We didn't lose no money. Chilling. We just need to stay consistent like this. Only take great trades, and we'll be up soon enough. What's up, guys? We got day number 28 of trying to get my first payout, and we made $0 today. We didn't trade today, and the only reason why is because I wasn't confident in a bias. Like I really didn't know where price wanted to go for real, so I didn't take a trade. But if I actually knew that we wanted to go up, I would have had a banger trade that actually played out. So coming in. Like it's just like it went up, right? And then it's like consolidated ranging. But I didn't really know if I wanted to continue lower or manipulate, sweep this low, and then go higher, which it actually did. I didn't know that. But if I did, we had a great setup. We had a change in state right here. Boom. Change in state price closed above this. It retested it and filled this fair value gap and broke out higher. So I would have entered right there, targeting highs, and it would have been a great banger trade. But I wasn't really confident in the and no draws on liquidity, or my bias or continuing higher, so I didn't trade. And what I had to learn from back testing and just trading overall is don't enter if I'm not confident, and also that if you don't really have a bias or like a draw on liquidity, just be cautious because that's what I struggled with back then. But now we're just gonna be doing better with that. So another day, no trading. Tomorrow, hopefully, we find some good setups, and see y'all tomorrow. Day number 29 of trying to get my first payout, and we ended up making $0 today. We didn't trade today, and today just was no valid entries. And I really didn't know where price wanted to go. I really didn't have a set bias. And even if I did, it wouldn't have been no valid entries for me to enter anyway. Like price moved around 600 to maybe 100 points today. I mean, this day. And that's just, it wasn't trending. It was more so consolidating. No valid entries either way. I mean, we could have, no. So, good, patient day, discipline, you know. We just chilling, just trying to be patient past this eval account. We've been on it forever. And hopefully tomorrow we actually trade and get some bangers in. What's up, guys? We got day number 30. I'm trying to get my first payout. It's been a whole month, and at the end of our first month, we ended up blowing our account. I ain't gonna lie, this was a bad trade. I was kind of forcing it just so I can pass the eval. So I was risking heavy so I can hurry up and pass the eval because I've been on it for maybe a week and a half or 2 weeks. I don't remember. So I kind of just forced it, and we ended up blowing the account. So Monday, day number 31, we got to buy a brand new account again. But coming in, market open up here. My bias was bullish. I wanted price to definitely come up and reach session highs up here. But then it inversed this fair value gap, and I wanted to respected it, but it didn't do that. It inversed it. So then I wanted it to just to sweep this low and then go higher. I didn't want it to go down to all these lows, previous low a day, because I knew if we went down there, we won't gonna come up, and I have to shift my bias. But it came, but it didn't give me no reversal right here, and it just kept going down, 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 down. Then it swept previous lower days, right? So I tried to catch a retracement to a 15-minute fair value gap right here, but it obviously didn't do that at all, and I just kind of forced it. No valid entry for real. I just kind of forced it, and just trying to get a little dub just to pass the eval account because I've been on it for so long, and we only took like one trade this week. No, two trades this week. I don't remember, one or two trades this week, and I'm just trying to hurry up and pass it. But I've been back testing, and I realized I only take like 1 to 2 trades a week. So I just got to be patient and disciplined. And this was a bad trade. Every time I try to force and take bad trades, it never ends good. It never ends good. So I just gotta tighten up. I ain't gonna lie. I can next week, bro. I mean, day number 31, we gonna get right. I know I say that every time, but we got to. We got to.
Really, at the end of our first month, week number 6, and day number 30 of trying to get our first payout, we blew the account. We had a banger little dub at the start of the week, Monday, and we ended up blowing the account on Friday. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. It's all good because week 7, bro, I'm feeling special about week 7. I ain't gonna lie. I know I say that about every week, but week 7, something special gonna happen there. But it's all good. We gonna buy another eBay account. We gonna hopefully get right, scale that up. So just to recap of the week, we only took 2 trades, 1 dub, 1 L, and 1 dub was 900. The other dub just blew our account. We risked heavy on that one, so can't even complain. It was a bad trade, so it's all good. But that wraps up the video. Week number 6 of trying to give our first payout as a 17-year-old trader. Hope you guys enjoy. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out my previous weeks of me trading down in the description down below. Check out my other videos. Make sure you like and subscribe, and just have a good rest of your day.